हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल LIS जीनियस। इस वीडियो में लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के रिलेटेड MCQ है जो आप लोगों को UGC नेट सेट और लाइब्रेरी साइंस के रिलेटेड एग्ज़ाम में यूजफुल होंगे। इस वीडियो में मैंने हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेजों में क्वेश्चन आंसर दिए हैं जिससे आप आसानी से समझ सकें। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन, inductive logic proceeds from, the right answer is B, particular to general. Next, which of the following is not a graphic representation? The right answer is C, table. Next, the oldest and the largest library association in the world are. The right answer is A, ALA. Next, which of the following is not covered under intellectual property right? The right answer is D, thesaurus. Next, ontology is, the right answer is B, classification of internet based documents. Next, high level language is, the right answer is C, machine independent. Next, the transmission of receiver's reaction back to the sender is known as, the right answer is B, feedback. Next, protocol means, the right answer is D, linkage between two devices. Next, which of the following is an acronym? The right answer is A, UNESCO. Next, a set of rules that govern overall data communication system is properly known as, the right answer is A, protocol. Next, staffing is concerned with providing and maintaining resources. The right answer is C, human. Next, which of the following is not true about e-journal? The right answer is D, they are always free of cost. Next, what is the meaning of translation pools? The right answer is C, agency of the name of translation experts. Next, how is stochastic equation of information solved? The right answer is C, by statistical and dynamic rules. Next, whether library is a system? The right answer is A, yes, it has various selection as subsystem coordinating each other forming as a system. Next, the duodecimal classification divides human knowledge into, the right answer is A, 10 basic categories. Next, call number of a book means, the right answer is C, both A and R, A and B, मतलब book number and class number. Next, accession number means, the right answer is B, unique number for a book inside a particular library. Next, how many digits have in the ISSN? The right answer is B, 8 digit. Next, main use of self list is, the right answer is C, stock verification. Next, posting the right person at the right place is called, the right answer is A, requirement. Next, TQM is a system of, sorry, TQM is a system of continuous improvement employing participative management and center on need of the space. The right answer is C, organization. Next, financial support given to libraries are of two types, recurring and, the right answer is B, endowments. Next, principle of maximum aggregate benefit is concerned with, the right answer is C, library service. Next, tax item of expenditure for libraries are the working data for allocation of fund? The right answer is D. Library budget. Next, a budget which mainly cover item of current revenue and expenditures is called? The right answer is D. Capital budgeting. Next, the library budget of university is passed by the right answer is B. Executive Council. Next, in fund accounting space fund cannot be used for other purpose. The right answer is A. Recurring. Next, scrutiny of in financial transaction is called? The right answer is D. Auditing. Next, what are the two parts of the annual report of the library? The right answer is D. Descriptive and statistical. Next, physical condition of the books should be properly maintained. This is known as? The right answer is B. Conservation. Next, space is an important record of books which shows the position of any books on the shelves. The right answer is D. Shelf list. Next, books lost from the library are known through space. The right answer is A. Stock verification. Next, three great achievements in USA were noticed: annunciation of DDC classification scheme, forming of American Library Association, and the publication of first journal of the librarianship in year space. The right answer is C. 1876. Next, LA is the Library Association of? The right answer is C. Great Britain. Next, of the following libraries in India, which one is the oldest library? The right answer is D. National Library of India, Kolkata. Next, user education may be provided in for interacted area which are? The right answer is A. Users awareness, user studies, library orientation, bibliographic instruction. Next, the first center to use computer in the library and information activity in India is? The right answer is B. INSTOP. Next, fair use in the norms for determining the legality of? The right answer is B. Photocopying and entry book. Next, generally a reference service of a library in the conversational form is processed through the stage which are? The right answer is A. Preparation, service, and assimilation. Next, a research paper is a brief report of research work based on? The right answer is C. Both primary and secondary data. Next, mean, median and mode are? The right answer is D. None of the above. मतलब ऊपर में से कोई नहीं. Next, research is? The right answer is C. Working in a scientific way to search for truth of any problem. Next, which of the following is the first step in starting the research process? The right answer is C. Identification of problem. Next, a common test in research demands must priority on? The right answer is D. All the above. मतलब reliability, usability, and objectivity. Next, action research means? The right answer is C. A research initiated to solve an immediate problem. Next, a reasoning where we start with certain particular statement and conclude with a universal statement is called? The right answer is B. Inductive reasoning. Next, which of the following variable cannot be expressed in quantitative term? The right answer is C. Numerical aptitude. Next, the essential qualities of a researcher are? The right answer is D. All the above. Next, in the process of conducting research, formulation on hypothesis is followed by? The right answer is C. Selection of research tools. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो। मेरे अगले वीडियो के लिए प्लीज़ मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें, जिससे मेरी अगली वीडियो आप लोगों को सबसे पहले मिले। लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।